At BOSTON Scurb, we're all about using the latest automation technology to ensure that every medical scrub and uniform we produce meets the highest quality standards. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes to show you how our automated fabric spreading machine plays a key role in a custom garment production process. With precise, automated operation, this machine takes large rolls of fabric and spreads them evenly, preparing them for cutting, sewing, and further processing. Compared to manual fabric spreading, the automated machine works much faster and ensures the fabric stays smooth and wrinkle-free, avoiding uneven tension that can affect quality. When it comes to custom production, fabric consistency is crucial. The spreading machine guarantees that every layer of fabric is laid out with the same level of precision, minimizing any errors. Whether we're working on a large production run or small, personalized orders, this machine helps us deliver high-quality products every time. Not only does it increase production efficiency, but it also significantly reduces human error and physical labor. Workers simply monitor the machine's operation, which takes a lot of the heavy lifting out of the process and makes production smoother and more efficient. Whether it's medical scrubs or uniforms, our custom production relies on precise fabric handling. This machine allows us to respond quickly to customer needs, offering a wide range of styles, colors, and sizes while ensuring comfort and durability in every piece. At BOSTON Scurb, the automated fabric spreading machine is a core part of our production line. It allows us to boost efficiency, maintain strict quality control, and make sure every medical scrub and uniform meets our customers' expectations. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about the innovative technologies driving custom medical garment production at BOSTON Scurb.